how to copy and paste your voice audio on Audacity. Hello guys, so welcome back in another Audacity tutorial. So in today's video I'm gonna show you how to copy or paste an audio on Audacity easy and fast. So all what you have to do is go to Audacity, of course, and open your audio or voice from here, or you can record it here. Now all what you have to do is select the part that you want to copy. For example, I'm gonna copy this one and go here, click on this, or you can click Ctrl C. Now I just copied this part. Now if you want to paste it, choose the place that you want to paste it in. I'm gonna choose here, and now click here on this one. As you can see, I just pasted it here. If this video was helpful, you can paste it anywhere, here or here or here or anywhere. If this video was helpful, I hope you leave a subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the very end. See you later in the next video.